Tumurigereria bono mirubiryo bene yogo chikonganya chera yabasibwa eyereme yo mocho bosongo Kisii prison nigo yachakire maiga yansemerete netamangana yokurigere chimbwa nechitabye chingija gotarera county ya Kisii egochika kwa rugo bono no muraibwense William Samuel Ruto ekarabwa taro ya iki yaita ime yorgongo rwa Gusii nigo bakuriga chinchera anase chere yera sikonganyigwa eribono county ya Kisii ane omocho bosongo onyoriribaga ryokogarigwa beno muri keito mirde momanyi no roboti senchira yobuime.
Serikali ya Kenya insi yoburayibwaye Dr. William Ruto nigo egendrete kubeka emirobiryo bene eriokinia obokoreri. Litiko lya lero nigo omuliki obotambe asensemo yokorose chimbwa Gusii Correctional Services omusubati Mary Mudoni atalera echere ya Kisii main prison eriokorigereria chinchira baracho kubwatya eriokorabuna abasibwa mbachikonganyigwa gocha asaragia naenda bwateri bagali yogokora ebintu binde ebyao naye nigagocha maiga yomuraibwense gotangasa benenga nachigokonya abasibwa konyora asanene ase gati yabarayibekirana ase omoyego yonga monaba obisabo bolendi amonaba obisakurwa ase county ya Kisii gati yabo omo county secretary James Ntabo ase omusubati Mary arengena yaiga.
Our mission was one. His Excellency the President was here the other day and he directed that we look at modalities on how we can move the prison to another land, maybe more viable, more expansive, where we can also be able to farm and do other things. As you very well know, Correctional Services Department, our key mandate is to correct individuals. So all these men and women who are in the women prison who are here are offenders or people who have come into conflict with the law, and we are very much encouraged when we keep on correcting them so that when time comes for reintegration, they will be able to fit properly in the society. So basically, mine was to come and see, look into the issue, and we can start working on how to work on the presidential directive.
Nigo Mary ateba ekirenga kiabo no koranga abasibwango chabale konyora asagi abakurara.
We want to soften their hearts so that when we are doing rehabilitative process and we are doing the correctional process, we are able to speak to human beings, and therefore that is why we have our campaign to have one prisoner, one bed, one mattress, that each one of them can have a bed, a place to sleep, and a blanket to cover themselves.
Asichinga kecho nigo asaba ebine bikebikego chakona chwa egenka iliogo Kenya enambe nyinge asechera ya Kisii.
In here, 70% of the inmates right now are remandees. That means there are people who wake up in the morning, they dress up, they shower, they sleep, and they eat and do nothing else, because they are still not sentenced, and therefore they are still using government money. And when you listen to some of the cases, there are issues that could have been sorted at the lowest level of, the lowest level of engagement, conflicts in the society. It would be important that the society manages their conflict at the ground level, at the family level, at the society level, at the nyumba kumi, the village elders. So even here in Kisii, I would request the village elders. Those issues that are bothering the families, if people can sit down and talk about them instead of running to the authorities, it would be more prudent, more productive than basically being in the court every now and then.
Kuripotelia Igetaseni kia Ndizi TV, Litaliane,